Here's the question I have for you today. What would it take for the Greater Naples, Florida area to get back in balance with home sellers and builders offering enough housing inventory to satisfy the buyers who are trying to purchase a home here in Southwest Florida? Leave your comments below and let me know your thoughts about achieving a more balanced real estate market in Southwest Florida in 2022. This is a question I'll try to answer as I share the December 2021 and year-end 2021 real estate market data with you in today's video. Stay tuned throughout the video. You don't want to miss hearing the answer. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Terry Pasquarelli with MVP Realty. As we talk about how 2021 closed out, I'll refer to the December and year-end 2021 real estate market data, which is the most recent data published at this point. The data I'm sharing with you comes from analysis done by the Naples Area Board of Realtors, which tracks home listings and sales within Naples and Collier County, excluding Marco Island. Now, if you hear some things that are insightful or helpful to you, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. That way you're among the first to learn when I post new episodes and new videos to the channel. Subscribing is free. I won't put you on a mailing list, so subscribing to this channel is an opportunity for you to keep current with all things real estate in the Greater Naples, Florida area. And your support of the channel definitely helps the channel to grow and to reach more people who are interested in this type of information about the Greater Naples, Florida real estate market and about living in Southwest Florida. If you're already subscribed, thank you. Your support helped us to grow this channel in 2021. And I appreciate you helping us reach our goal of assisting even more home sellers and home buyers in 2022. I'll share the highlights of our real estate market update with you now, and together we can see where the momentum was as we headed into 2022. If you're a potential seller in 2022, I have something for you to think about early in this new year. Let's look at this summary information from December 2021. If you've been following my market updates the past few months, you'll see a continuation of most of our trends during the second half of the year. First, overall housing inventory is down, and it's down a significant 77% to just over 1,000 homes available as we ended December 2021. That's not very much inventory. In fact, this 1,042 properties is a record low in the Naples market. And, likely influenced by the busy holiday month that December is for so many people, only 838 new listings were brought to market during December. That's down 25% even from the December holiday month in 2020. With those low numbers of new listings and low overall inventory, we're not surprised to note that overall pending sales and overall closed sales in December 2021 were 25 to 30% below where their statistics were at the close of 2020. And look at the days on market statistic. Days on market came down 65% to just 27 days in December 2021. Homes continued to move very quickly from being listed to going under contract. And in the discussion of supply versus demand, buyer demand for the Naples lifestyle pushed the median closed sale price up to $510,000 in December, up 26% over December last year. Well, that's December. The big discussion here is about how strong the Greater Naples, Florida real estate market was throughout 2021 and what momentum does that carry into this new year. Will things settle down? Will there be a local market correction? If you're a seller, should you consider selling now or should you wait until later this year? And if you're a buyer, what should you expect? Well, overall, 2021 is a year that exceeded a number of local records. There was over $17 billion in home sales in this market, which is 52% more than in 2020. Many of you felt the really fast pace of the market just as summer started, And then that pace eased off, at least somewhat, when the lack of inventory just couldn't keep up with the growing demand during the second half of 2021. So just as we noticed with the December data, the second half of the year overall results resulted in 20% fewer closed sales from July to December compared to January through June. Declining inventory and demand caused the increase in our overall median closed price for the full year 2021. That came in at $445,000, more than 20% increase overall from 2020. And yet remember, we just looked at the more recent December 2021 data, and we exited the year with median closed prices notably higher than the year-long median. We were up at $510,000 as the median closed sales price by the end of the year. And those median prices are a blend of condominiums and single-family home increases. If you're looking for a single-family home in the Greater Naples, Florida area, you've seen that the rise for all single-family homes was about 30%. Remember, these are median closed sale prices. The averages are higher, with local home values experiencing an average closed price over $800,000. A key takeaway from local analysis is that just because the number of closed sales has been declining, it doesn't mean that interest in this geographic area is declining. The buyer demand is still quite high. We just don't have the inventory to meet our buyer demands right now. The Greater Naples area has become a desirable place to live, and until there's a change in what people want, the local analysts expect a continued high level of buyer demand. The value gains in this market are expected to hold and may increase in 2022, even if that's at a slower growth pace this coming year than in 2021. So back to my question at the beginning of today's video. What will it take to get back to a balance between sellers' inventory and buyers' demand? Well, here's one way to look at that question. We would need to see a fourfold home inventory increase in 2022 to meet the level we had just at the beginning of 2021. And you'll probably agree that's unlikely. We started the new year with 3,000 fewer listings than in 2021. That's pretty incredible. So sellers, consider the pent-up demand. Look at that alongside the expected upward increase in mortgage interest rates. Those rising interest rates will take away buyers' purchasing power. It may prevent some buyers from getting a mortgage, or they'll end up with high monthly mortgage payments. So there is some indication that early in 2022 is a great time for homeowners to sell now before interest rates continue to rise. Next question. Are you part of any of the following groups of homeowners who may find it most advantageous to list your property now and maximize profits, as well as to achieve your own 2022 goals? Here are 3 groups that should evaluate the benefits of selling now. If you are, first, owners of rental property who may have lost money on lackluster rental opportunities during the pandemic, or are tired of being a landlord and want to take a profit now, that's one group. Second, older homeowners whose future plans include living in an adult or assisted living community, or just simplifying by downsizing. That is, homeowners who want to sell, bank their profit, and move to communities that meet their future needs. And third, married couples who are no longer raising a family that requires a large single-family home. These are couples who are ready to downsize with the profit from the sale on their large home. Now, if you're considering selling your home, we have even more potential buyers back in Southwest Florida during the current winter season, so this could be the right time for you. Reach out and let's talk about preparing your home sale to benefit from the strong dynamics of today's Southwest Florida market. Remember, this isn't the time for sellers or buyers to try to go it alone. Experience and time in the market matter. So reach out to me today and let's get started. Thanks for tuning into this episode, our December and year-end 2021 market report, and for continuing to support the channel. All of my contact information is listed in the description below the video. Reach out today. I look forward to hearing from you. And if you know someone who's ready to buy or sell in the Southwest Florida market, please don't keep me a secret. Feel free to share the channel link and my contact information with your family and friends. Finally, I have something else for you. If you haven't already found it, look on the channel for our 24/7 live Naples webcam. You can peek at a relaxing outdoor scene in Naples, Florida, and check out our daily temperatures and compare them to your temperatures back home if you haven't already made a move to Southwest Florida. The video in the upper right of the screen is where you're going to find the link to the 24/7 Naples webcam. So join us and enjoy every season in Naples, Florida with Rich and Terry Pasquarelli from MVP Realty. We'll see you in the next video.